Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Stephen Boylston again with SP Solutions, coming back with another quick guide on one of my spreadsheets for success. Today we're going to be looking at Task Keeper. So I'll walk you through this example that I've created. When you download the Task Keeper, you'll get an example very similar to this one, probably with different dates filled out, as well as a blank template, so you can start from scratch. So with that, let's get into it. So what is the Task Keeper? The Task Keeper is really, it's a quick guide or a quick organization tool that will allow you to plan your day, plan your week, plan your month, and then you can quickly see very visually how busy you're going to be. So how many just based on how many tasks you have. So if you have more tasks on one day than the next day, then you can see that pretty quickly here in this graph. So if we go to September, just click on this link that says September. And then from here is where you'll enter in your tasks. So again, just like with every other spreadsheet, you want to make sure you fill in anything that's blue. So here you've got, like, I have to wash the car on 9/2, grocery shopping on 9/2, buy shoes on 9/3, mow lawn, so on. So you enter in all of your tasks in here for the month or for the week or however you want to track it. And then you'll see this calendar on the right hand side update with the number of tasks that you have on each date. So you'll be able to very quickly see, my Thursday is going to be a little bit busier than my Friday. My Saturday is going to go back to being quite busy, but then Sunday I only have one task planned. So it's going to fall off. So that's step 3. Step 4, you go down here to this select date to review daily task list. So you can select any date that you have a task already assigned to. So let's say 9/3 is today, and these are the tasks that I have to do today. So I have to buy shoes, mow lawn, work out, record quick guide. And those are the 4 things that I have on my list for today, at least according to this example. So you can go through and look at any day. As long as you've entered a task, you can select any day, and then it groups everything together into this one list. If you don't have anything recorded on that day, then you're going to get this error, this NA error. I left that in there on purpose so that you can understand that there's nothing for that day planned just yet. From there, you go back to the home page, and then again you can see your statistics over here. So for the next 5 days, including today, this is how busy I'm going to be. So 9/3, pretty busy relative to the other days. 9/4 drops off a little bit, but then that Saturday I'm picking back up, and you can see it drops off throughout the rest of the next few days. So that's it. That's the Task Keeper. It's very straightforward. There's not a lot of bells and whistles to it. I think it's a very simple tool that I wanted to get out there, that I use quite a bit, just to understand how busy I'm going to be throughout the next 5 days or so. So I definitely encourage everybody to go out and get it. Click the link below, and definitely take a look at the other videos to see some of my other quick guides. Thanks, guys. Bye.